folks, it's me again. Before I forget, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe. It helps out. You don't have to ever come back. I'm not forcing you. But if you like my channel, click subscribe. It absolutely helps. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This video is basically it's just me putzing around. I did if you've been watching the channel, I have an anvil over here, and there was two of them there. And I was joking, it was my workbench. But now I moved them around to over here. Right, I moved one right here. This is a what do you call it? I think this is a Vulcan. Yeah, it's a Vulcan Anvil. It's not very, it's somebody, I don't know what somebody did to this thing, but I don't know what in the hell people do to anvils, but this thing has been abused. Like were they chopping wood in this thing? I don't know, maybe, but it's got a couple of thousands. It's got to get skimmed off, and I don't really blacksmith with it, so I'm not really worried. Plus, I have another one right over here, which is in pretty good shape except for here. And I have like 5 more there. But this one's not bad. It's a no-name job. Got a weld mark over here. It's got some kind of weld right here. And yeah, the horn's in good shape on this one. But the other one, that Vulcan one, and this one that I have over here is my, I don't know if there's a coleslaw. Yeah, well, anyway, this one has it needs to be cleaned up, but the dents are not as bad. I didn't do this. I don't blacksmith at the moment, but I will clean them up and oil them and make it nice and smooth, because I know that one of the things I've learned from watching people blacksmith online is that whatever you hammer into here, whatever dents on here goes into your thing. So I know it should be nice and smooth. It should be nice and polished and round, but we'll get to that. Anyway, what I was saying, though, is I moved the anvil, let me get over here, to right here. Don't look at all my other shit. I moved it here. The thing I want to do is, since it has a stump for it, I'm going to probably band it, and if I can find a metal band big enough, I'll wrap it around, I'll weld it, and then I'll start making a strap to go with it. Yeah, whatever, you know what I mean. Because everybody has a metal band around their tree stump. So I'm going to put a metal band around this one, and I'm going to basically try to get it so I can put all the hammers around it. And then this over here, where I have all my hammers right here, I'm probably going to change this because of one reason. I'm going to change these because one thing I forgot to do was, see this? That's like a wood scraper. So I'm thinking of redoing that to little wire loops, or what do you call, not wire loops? What the hell was I thinking? I'm thinking of redoing those to round rod instead of the flat thing. Those are fine. I'm just hanging stuff there, but and then I'm going to go buy a drawer, a Craftsman drawer, because they're cheaper in the US than in Canada. And I'll put some drawers in here. I'll move all this shit away. I'm gonna put my hammers on here. That's the plan. Anyway, so yeah, that's my plan. If you want to see what's behind me, this is my little work area. This is my bench. That's my milling machine. This is my, right over here, that's my, I call it the trophy bench. There's grinders over here. There's a 3-ton press with a Wen bandsaw, and basically this is my welding table. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest is just junk. It's just one little area. That's all it is. A lot of tools, a lot of shit, and there's toolbox behind me. So anyway, I'll stop showing you my fat neck, and thanks for watching. Also, as of right now, I'm at 940 subscribers, so woohoo! Keep subscribing, folks. It's awesome.